Today I'm bringing you a look at this stainless steel, fully enclosed cat litter box. This thing is just really amazing. I like how you can't see inside it at all, so the appearance is very nice. You can really put this in any room and it won't give off any ugly sights. It also keeps all the odors trapped inside due to this design. And to even help further with the odors, there are these activated carbon balls included. Just go ahead and sprinkle those into the litter, apply it like every week or so, and it'll really help out with the odors as well. We've also got this litter trapping mat right here, so you put this right outside the front of it. As the cat walks in and out of here, the litter will fall into this and not all over your floor, which is very nice. And it gets trapped in these slots here, so you just take this outside, dump it in the trash can. Taking a look at the inside, nice and stainless steel. Stainless steel is easy to clean, and you've also got this scooper included. You can go ahead and mount this on the side if you like, or you just put it inside this included thing here. You've also got the user manual included. So you really get a super nice set, and you can easily take off the lid by pushing this button on either side. You can also remove this by unlocking it, twisting these knobs on either side. So you can have it open if you would like. But overall, I highly recommend this litter box for your cat. It's super supreme, super premium.